folks, it's TGIF. We've been sitting here for an hour to get this rain to stop from going down. 2 boats just went out, 3 of them came back in. So it looks like it's lightening up a little bit. We're gonna give it a shot and go out there and see if we can catch a few trout and not get as wet. I'm minimizing the poles I'm bringing, or the tackle boxes anyway. I'm just bringing 1 tackle box. We're not going to be jerk bait, and we're not going to be tight lining. And let's go out there and see what we can do, folks. I got the plug in. Starting to clear up a little bit, folks, so we can go out and give it a shot. See what we can do. I know one thing, it's super damp, and I should have worn my jumpsuit, but I didn't. I just got the rain suit on. Now with pneumonia, it'd be a miracle. But I saw loons right here in the bayou, man. Water's kind of dirty. I guess it's all the rainwater washing off everything around here, you know. Wind laid down. I think we're going to catch about 30 trout this morning, folks. I really believe that. There's the loon right up front. See them standing up right there? I think we're going to get 30 trout this morning. I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. There's 2 loons. 2 loons. Now, we're going to put the camera down. We're going to fire up the Big Fat Junior and head on out, folks. See what we can do. Stay tuned. That's a French duck, male French duck. 2 loons just went down right here. Got that little current line coming around that point right there, and they're hanging right there. Getting that bait as they come out of this big bayou here. There's another one over there. Good sign. Them loons can stay on the water for a long time, man. Folks, Big Rudy got one. It's starting to bite. Amen for that. Just hope it's not a flounder, that's all. But if it has to be a flounder, it has to be. No, looking good, looking good. Yep, another flounder. Woo, woo. Rudy's on. All right, folks, Rudy's got him one. Can't tell what it is. Bring him in, Rude. Bring him in, Rude.
What we got? Another flounder. Son of a bitch.
Man's on the flounder kick here. He guarantees this is a trout this time, folks. Action's picking up a little bit. Tide's still falling hard. We're out here by Lake P. Time to find him. That big boat there, how fast he's traveling, folks. He's trolling. Don't lose him, bro. Don't lose him, Bo. Don't lose him.
Keep attention on him, boss.
Pulling hard, huh? Pulling hard. Whoa!
First trout.
Fell right off, folks. Rudy's got another one, folks. He's calling this one a flounder. There it is. There it is. There it is. Woo! Starting to get a little crowded, folks. Starting to get a little crowded. It's kind of hard to troll. All right, folks, we switched over to the west side. There's a loon right here. Loons are everywhere. But this tide is falling with this southwest wind. I mean, it's about, I'd say, a good 6-7 mile an hour tide. Current, anyway. Falling out of here pretty hard. Our lines, as close as I can get to it, we're still 50 yards off the pilings. We lost about 10 rigs, 10 3/4 ounce jig heads, and 20 squids, which is falling tide. So we switched over to see if we can fish this out for a while. Another loon there. Water don't look that bad. A little sandy looking, but it's not really that bad. There's another loon up there, folks. Another loon right there. Alright, folks, it's 1:47. We're going to call it a day. 9 trout, 6 flounders. Missed a few of them. Had a good time. Story is, though, we must have hung up 15 times and we lost 12 rigs. So that's about $60 worth of rigs we lost. We had a good time. Heading in. Alright, folks, that's our catch of the day right there. 9 trout, 18 fillets. Goody, very goody. There's the shoreline fishing, folks. Great place to come fish. Real relaxing. Might even catch a few trout here. I don't know where his line's at. I see his line, but I don't know where he's at. The wind picked up a little bit. At least we didn't get wet. That's a positive. Got a few boats out too, it looks like. I tell you, of all the boats out there, I'd say 80% of them are trolling. Everybody's trolling now. They finally got the idea. Trolling's a good way to catch fish. You find them, catch them.